Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Easter centerpiece using flowers and a basket from the dollar store. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. All you have to do is click that subscribe button below the video on the right, and if you want notifications for when I upload a tutorial, just click the bell and YouTube will notify you. I picked up this cute basket at Dollar General for $6. So you'll need one basket. I just love the shape of this basket. And then you're also going to need some foam, and the foam came from Dollar Tree. And you're going to need some spring flowers. You could hot glue your foam in if you wanted to, but this size basket works out perfect. I was able to push the foam right into the basket, and it's a nice, tight, secure fit. And so here I'm trimming some of my flowers shorter. Now don't trim them all, just a few. You will want to choose flowers with different kinds of textures, different heights, and in the same color palette that work well together. Before you add flowers, you could cover your foam with moss or Easter grass. I started in the center of my flower arrangement with my tallest pick in the center in the middle. Then on the left of it and the right, I chose two bundles of flowers, or two picks that had fluffy flowers. The dogwood blooms, I'm also adding them to the center because they are taller than most. And then here I am going in right below the fluffier picks on each side, kind of at the bottom of the handle on the left and the right, and adding these smaller pink jonquils. I usually try to, whatever I do on the front, I usually try to do on the back. Whatever I do on the left side, I usually do on the right side. But I didn't have all matching flowers, so this one's a little bit different, but just try to make sure and, balance your arrangement out. Just remember, there's no right way, there's no wrong way. Just do it however you like. And I had some flowers that were hanging down a little low, so I just trimmed them shorter. And so now I'm going in with some singles and just filling in the bottom of my foam, around my foam. My flowers came from Walmart and Dollar Tree, so everything in this flower arrangement is from dollar stores, so very inexpensive and easy. You do not have to make this flower arrangement for Easter. You can make it for any season or holiday. I just thought this basket was cute, and Easter's coming up, so I wanted to make an Easter flower arrangement. I did also add in some Dollar Tree Easter egg picks, and I added a bow on each side, and also a few pieces of leftover greenery I had from another flower arrangement. And here I thought these little miniature roses were so cute, so here I'm adding one on the front, and then I'm also going to add one on the back. Make sure you always fluff your flowers and shape your flowers too. You could add a dot of hot glue on the bottom of each pick before you push it into your foam if you wanted to, but I like to reuse my flowers, so I don't always hot glue mine in. I like to add something a little unusual to my floral arrangements, so I thought these picks with the little purple berries on the end were really super pretty. They're different, they kind of drape down, and I really like that look, so I added a few of those too. And then I also, to the middle of my arrangement, I added 3 of these picks from Dollar Tree. After you have your flowers added, then just kind of step back away from the arrangement and look at it to see if you need to move something or add anything else. Now I'm adding a bow to each side, and I'm just tying a double bow, and this is 2.5 inch width ribbon with wire, and ribbon with wire makes the prettiest bows. So 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right, and I didn't let out a very long tail. You will also want to have some floral wire close by to wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow. Now I am using 20 gauge floral wire. I know I'm probably going to get fussed at in the comment section, but to attach my bows to my arrangements, because I don't have one of those pick things like a lot of people do, so I just take my wires and I twist my wires together, and then I cut them off shorter, and I push the wires into the foam. I usually add a big glob of hot glue on the end of it before I push it into the foam, and it holds fine. So that's just the way I do it. You can do yours differently. You could also wire the bow to the basket itself if you wanted to. So here's the way I twist my wires, and then I just push it into the foam. So either way will work. Just make sure you get your bow on. I added a bow to the front and the back of this floral arrangement, and I have it sitting on my dining room table right now, so it's pretty from every angle, so that way, you know, it doesn't matter who's sitting on what side, they have something pretty to look at. And it's really not too tall and too full, so you could leave it on the table when you're eating if you wanted to, but we usually move ours over. For less than $20, I have a really pretty Easter floral arrangement that you could use in different places in your home. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this arrangement. And also don't forget to check out my TJ Maxx Easter Decor Shop With Me video I uploaded yesterday.